looking up at an angle is what you have. Everything colored all at once. All right. Get your bearings on that one. Try and get oriented, and then we'll start pointing to things here. Okay, what's highlighted in blue?
Those are the ventricles. Yeah.
The what?
The ventricles.
The ventricles.
Yes.
The ventricles.
Give your primary.
Here is lateral, third, fourth, and the canal connecting third and fourth?
Aqueduct.
Or aqueduct, some would say. Now what's highlighted pale blue?
The third.
That's a thalamus.
Oh.
See? Here you're seeing just the medial surface of it, and here you're seeing some of it that extends back and then kind of bulges up somewhat over into this lateral ventricle. Hypothalamus. Those two together make up
Diencephalon.
diencephalon. Diencephalon. And that's a skip. There's two images in here to skip. That's one of them. That would be visual association area, though. Okay, and what's green down here?
Medulla oblongata.
Medulla, pons, midbrain, more than that,
Diencephalon.
diencephalon. Okay, and now what have they added over here? Which does what for you? Coordinated, smooth contractions of your skeletal muscles. Okay? Let's back up over here to the what? Hypothalamus. Your hypothalamus controls a lot of things. We say sometimes that it controls your needs and your wants. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm hot. I'm cold. See? So, hunger, thirst, appetite, temperature, all of those comfort things, and even sex drive, and pain to a lesser degree. There's other areas that control pain more, but pain to some degree is controlled here in the hypothalamus. Then what in the world has our thalamus done for us?
It controls what comes, the messages in and out of the cerebral.
In and out of the what?
It's like a filter. Your cortex.
Cerebral cortex. In one sense, it's like a switchboard operator that when the signal comes up the brainstem, it hits the thalamus, and the thalamus says, oh, you're coming from the hand, you need to go right over there. Oh, you're coming from the arm, you need to go right there.
Sends it to the right part of the
It sends it to the right part of the cortex so that you can figure out, oh, there's something wrong with my left foot, there's something wrong with my left hand, etc. And it also acts like a filter so that if you're getting too many messages coming in and your brain's overloaded, it can filter out a lot of the messages, but you still get enough information to know what to do. Some psychoactive drugs and medications have their effect here, and they basically open the valve, and they let in a flood of sensory information, and you have the hallucinations, the euphoric feelings, and so forth, because you're getting a flood of info that you don't normally get. Using arrows this time.
thalamus.
Thalamus. Cerebellum. Pons.
Medulla.
Medulla. No.
That's the optic bulb thing.
Okay, you can't have a chiasma unless you have both half the brains together. So you're looking at one optic nerve. You're looking at the stone of one optic nerve, which would form the chiasma if the other nerve were present too.
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus, controlling what?
Our wants.
Your wants and needs.
Such as?
I'm thirsty.
Sex drive.
I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, I'm horny, whatever. Okay.
Cerebrum cortex.
Corpus callosum, doing what for you?
It mediates between both the right and left hemisphere.
Yeah. It's the express highway. It's the high-speed highway between the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. So it's made up of mostly myelinated axons. That's why it's white in color. And you'll see that when you do your dissection next week, that it's considerably lighter in color than the surrounding material. Occipital lobe. Okay.
Parietal.
Oh, that's the pre and post, yeah.
Yes.
And the central No, the
Sulcus.
central sulcus.
There's your sulcus, your central sulcus. So this would be the,
Central gyri.
and this would be gyrus. Okay. Alternate name for the pre?
Primary motor
And
primary somatosensory.
somatosensory. Good, y'all picked up that stuff fast.
Is that the thyroid?
Mm-mm.
That's your
It's your cerebellum.
Cerebellum's back here.
Oh, yes it is.
It's what? It's the temporal lobe. You're looking at. You're
Oh,
looking
through
at,
it, yeah.
See? It's kind of peeking around from the other side of the brain. You've got a medial view of the temporal lobe in this picture here. Okay, and that's the end of our series there. Okay. Y'all did very well.